Introducing the 2020 Skoda Kodiaq 7S, STY 2.0 TE with 150 horsepower. This sleek and powerful vehicle is the perfect choice for those who demand both style and performance. With its elegant grey exterior, spacious interior, and top-of-the-line features, this SUV is sure to impress. From comfort and convenience to safety and security, the Skoda Kodiaq has it all. With features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with confidence, knowing you are protected at every turn. Not only does this vehicle offer luxury and style, but it also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and includes a comprehensive warranty for added peace of mind. Don't miss out on the opportunity to drive away in this stunning Skoda Kodiaq. Call us today or visit our website at michaelmoore.ie for more information.